US President Joe Biden and members of his inner circle have reassured allies in recent days that they intend to run for re-election in 2024 as they take steps to deflect concern about the 79-year-old president's commitment to another campaign and growing Democratic fears of a coming Republican return to power. When White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki was asked about Air Force One whether she could confirm if Joe Biden was going to run again in 2024 and whether he was telling staff that, she responded, "Yes, that's his intention," the CNN reported. The Washington Post reported over the weekend that Biden and members of his inner circle have been telling allies that he plans to run again. This is an attempt to address concerns about whether he could commit to another presidential campaign given his age and ease worries Republicans returning to power. The effort comes as the broader Democratic community has been increasingly anxious after a bruising 6-month stretch that has seen Joe Biden's national approval rating plummet more than a dozen points into the low 40s amid growing concerns about inflation, Democratic infighting in Washington, and faltering public health efforts to move beyond the COVID-19 pandemic. Democrats were rattled by Republican victories in Virginia's state elections earlier this month and a narrow Democratic win in New Jersey. Questions have arisen about the viability of Vice President Kamala Harris in 2024 should Biden decide to run again. A recent USA Today Suffolk University poll found her with a 28% job approval rating. In March, Biden told reporters during a press conference that it was his plan to run again. "That is my expectation," the president said, adding that he doesn't typically plan that far in advance, the CNN reported. The White House has also indicated whether Biden would automatically endorse his choice for Vice President Kamala Harris should he decide to run. When asked whether Harris could expect the president's automatic endorsement if she decides to run for political office in either 24 or 28, Psaki said earlier this month, "I don't have any predictions of whether she will run, when she will run. I will leave that to her," the report added.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.